Class simple interest. In this simple interest class, first you understand some basic terms. P indicate principal. What is principal class? The sum of money in which you will get simple interest. Like if you put 100 rupees in bank, then bank gave you interest on this amount or this sum. So this sum is normally known as principal. Second is rate of interest. Rate of interest is always you can find in percentage. It's very important. Like in this 100, suppose bank gave you rate of interest in 5%. So your rate of interest, it means in which rate they gave you interest. So rate is always defined by percentage. Understand class? 5% means 5 upon 100. So every 100 rupees they gave you 5 rupees. So that's why they gave you rate in the form of percentage. Third is time. You can calculate your time yearly. Suppose they gave you time in month, 4 months. So you have to change that in year. For that you have to divide this by 12. So 4 upon 12 means 1 upon 3 year. In class, how much interest you will get? For that you have a formula. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. And class, your time is always in years. So this is a basic formula. Class, one more important formula is there. Your amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. A is equal to P plus SI. Suppose class, your principal is 100 rupees. Your sum of money is 100 rupees and bank gave you 20 rupees interest on this 100 rupees. So if they given you principal and simple interest, then you can find your amount, that is equal to 120. And with the help of this formula also class, you can find your simple interest, that is equal to amount minus principal. So sometimes they provide you amount and principal and they ask you about simple interest. So by simple subtracting you can find that. Now class, you have a questions. Find simple interest on this rupees for 4 years at this rate per annum. So class, as I told you, your sum of money is 112.50 principal. This percentage definitely indicate rate of interest and your time is 4 years. So rate of interest 1 complete 1 by 2 means 3 by 2 percentage. So find the SI. Class, you have to find simple interest. So SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Your P into R 3. So class, your numerator should be here and denominator should be here. So 3 upon 2 into 4 upon 100. So P into R into T upon 100. By solving this you can find your simple interest. Next question is, at what rate you have to find your rate? Principal of 2000, yield and interest of rupees 112.50. They give you interest, they give you principal, they give you time in 15 months. Convert that in year. So P is equal to 2000, simple interest, this T is equal to 15 month. So 15 month means 15 upon 12 year, 5 upon 4 years. And you have to find your rate. So you all know simple interest equal to PRT upon 100. Put the values of all the terms. 112.50, P equal to 2000. You have to find your rate. So put it as it is. T is equal to 5 upon 4 upon 100. By solving this you can find the rate of interest. Next is find principal that will yield an interest of this. Class, find principal. This is your interest. They give you time, they give you rate of interest. SI is this, rate of interest 10 upon 3, time 4 complete 1 upon 2 years means 9 upon 2 years. So SI is equal to P into R 10 upon 3 into T 9 upon 2 upon 100. So put the value 367.50 P. Now class, it's important, if 10 upon 3 and 9 upon 2 is in this form, so put numerator in the numerator and denominator in the denominator with 100. So by solving this, you can find your principal. Now class, this is an important question. Class, important question. If the rate of interest is reduced from 5% to 3 complete 1/2% per annum, find the decrease in half year interest for rupees 540. So P is 540, T is half year, and first they gave you about 5%. So first we will discuss about 5% rate of interest. So SI equal to PRT upon 100. By solving this, we can find 13.5. Simple interest is 13.5. And class, if we are talking about now rate of interest of 3 complete 1/2%, the meaning is 7/2%, then at that time SI is 9.45. So what is the difference in the SI? 13.5 minus 9.40, that is equal to 4.05. Class, next question is, at what rate will rupees 100 double itself in 7 years at simple interest? So they gave you 100 rupees principal, time is 7 years. They ask you about rate of interest, but class, they mention here one important thing: 100 double itself in 7 years. What is the meaning of that, class? After 7 years, 100 will become 200. So what is the meaning of that? After 7 years, that will be your amount. So what is your simple interest? You all know, amount minus principal. We know the formula, A is equal to principal plus simple interest. So simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. So your simple interest is 100. It means, class, your principal is 100 and in 7 years you have a 100 rupees simple interest. That's why your amount will be 200. Understand? So put the value of simple interest and principal in this formula and you can find your rate of interest. 100 into R into 7 upon 100 equal to 100 and R equal to 14 complete 2 upon 7.